Today, we're talking about pooping. Yes, really. It's a crucial part of health, and constipation can make you feel bloated, uncomfortable, and even moody. Common causes include stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, dehydration, and travel. The good news? Occasional constipation is usually manageable with simple lifestyle changes. A healthy poop frequency ranges from 3 times a day to 3 times a week. Less than that, especially with discomfort, is considered constipation. We'll cover 7 natural tips to help you stay regular. No harsh laxatives, just easy daily adjustments. Let's get started on your journey to a happier gut. Tip 1. Start your day with a glass of warm water. After a night's sleep, your body is dehydrated. Warm water gently wakes up your digestive system. The warmth relaxes your gut muscles and helps soften stool, making it easier to pass. Drink it 15-30 minutes before breakfast for best results. Add a squeeze of lemon for extra digestive support. This simple habit, rooted in ancient wellness traditions, helps flush out toxins and prepares your gut for the day. No need for boiling water, just comfortably warm. Try this before your morning coffee and see how your body responds. Small change, big difference. Tip 2. Enjoy your morning coffee. Caffeinated coffee stimulates your colon, triggering contractions that help move waste along. The effect can be quick, sometimes within minutes. Coffee also contains compounds that boost digestive hormones. But remember, coffee is a diuretic, so balance it with plenty of water to avoid dehydration. Skip the heavy cream and sugar for best results. If you're not a coffee drinker, don't worry. More tips are coming. For coffee lovers, your morning cup is a gut-friendly ritual. Tip 3. Help your digestive system by establishing a consistent poop routine. It might sound a little funny, but having a regular schedule for bathroom time can make a huge difference in your gut health and overall comfort. Our bodies thrive on routine, and you can actually train yours to have a bowel movement at the same time every day. Just like you set a time for meals or sleep, setting a time for pooping helps your body know what to expect. Try sitting on the toilet for 10-15 minutes, ideally about 30 minutes after breakfast. This is when your body's natural reflexes are strongest, thanks to the gastrocolic reflex that kicks in after you eat. Take your time, don't rush or strain. Bring a book, listen to calming music, or simply focus on taking deep, relaxing breaths. Creating a calm environment can help your body relax and do its thing. Even if nothing happens at first, don't get discouraged. Consistency is key. By showing up at the same time each day, you're teaching your body what to do. Over time, your internal clock will adjust, making your bowel movements more predictable and less stressful. You'll start to notice your body responding to the routine. Think of it as sleep training for your gut. Just like a bedtime routine helps you sleep better, a poop routine helps your digestion work smoothly. Be patient. It may take a few weeks for your body to fully adjust and for you to see consistent results. Everyone's body is different, so give yourself grace. This simple habit can transform unpredictable, stressful bathroom trips into a reliable, stress-free part of your day. You'll feel more in control and comfortable. Stick with it, and your gut will thank you for the extra care and attention. Tip 4. Adjust your toilet posture for easier pooping. Most people don't realize that the way you sit on the toilet can make a big difference in how smoothly things go. If you've ever struggled or felt uncomfortable, your posture might be the culprit. Sitting with your knees at a 90-degree angle, which is the standard way on most modern toilets, actually creates a kink in your colon. This bend makes it harder for waste to pass through, so you might find yourself straining or taking longer than you'd like. The natural position for our bodies is actually a squat. When you squat, your colon straightens out, allowing everything to move more freely. This position also helps relax the muscles that control bowel movements, making the process much easier and more comfortable. To mimic this natural squat while using a regular toilet, use a small footstool or even a stack of sturdy books to raise your knees above your hips. This simple trick can make a big difference in your bathroom experience. Aim for about a 35-degree angle between your thighs and torso. This angle helps open up your colon and allows for a smoother, more complete bowel movement. This simple adjustment reduces straining, helps you empty your bowels more completely, and can even help prevent issues like hemorrhoids or constipation over time. You don't need any fancy equipment. Any sturdy stool or household item that raises your feet will do the trick. It's an easy, affordable change anyone can make. Try it out for yourself and notice how much easier, quicker, and more comfortable your bathroom trips become. You might be surprised by the difference. Your colon will definitely appreciate the upgrade, and your whole digestive system will thank you for making this small but powerful change. Tip 5. Increase your fiber, but do it gradually. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, but making changes too quickly can backfire. Think of fiber as a gentle broom for your digestive tract, sweeping waste along and making stools softer, bulkier, and easier to pass. It helps keep things moving smoothly and can even help prevent constipation. There are two main types of fiber. Soluble fiber, found in foods like oats, beans and fruit, dissolves in water and forms a gel, which softens stool and helps it move through your gut. Insoluble fiber, from whole grains and vegetables, adds bulk to your stool and helps food pass more quickly through your digestive system. To avoid uncomfortable side effects like gas and bloating, add fiber-rich foods to your meals slowly, giving your gut time to adjust. And don't forget to drink plenty of water. Fiber needs water to do its job properly. Without enough fluids, fiber can actually make constipation worse. Start by adding just one extra serving of fiber-rich foods a day, like an extra helping of salad or fruit, and increase gradually as your body gets used to it. Simple swaps make a big difference. Try replacing white bread with whole grain, or choosing brown rice over white. Add chia seeds to your yogurt, snack on apples, or toss beans into your salad for an easy fiber boost. Aim for about 25 grams of fiber daily if you're a woman, and 38 grams if you're a man. But remember, quality matters as much as quantity. Pay attention to how your body feels. If you notice discomfort, slow down and let your system catch up. Making gradual changes is the key to keeping your gut happy, regular, and free from discomfort. Remember, fiber and water work together as your ultimate constipation-fighting duo, so team them up for the best results. Tip 6. Feed your gut with prebiotic and probiotic foods. Probiotics are good bacteria found in yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. They help balance your gut and improve digestion. Prebiotics are fibers that feed these bacteria, found in garlic, onions, bananas, oats, and asparagus. The combo keeps your gut ecosystem healthy and regular. Try yogurt with banana and oats for breakfast, or add kimchi to your lunch. Regularly eating both supports smooth digestion and prevents constipation. No need for supplements. Real food works best. A happy microbiome means a happier, more regular you. Make these foods a staple in your diet. Tip 7. Get moving. Regular exercise stimulates your intestinal muscles, speeding up stool movement. Even a brisk 20-30 minute walk daily can make a big difference. Activities like jogging, cycling, or yoga also help. Yoga poses like twists massage your gut and relieve bloating. Consistency is key. Find an activity you enjoy and stick with it. Exercise also reduces stress, a major constipation trigger. Make movement a non-negotiable part of your day. Your gut and your mood will both benefit. Move more, poop better. There you have it, 7 natural ways to relieve constipation and boost your gut health. Start with 1 or 2 tips this week and see how you feel. Share your experiences in the comments and help our community grow. Like and subscribe for more wellness tips from Senior Sage. Remember, if constipation is chronic or painful, talk to your doctor. Sometimes it signals a deeper issue, so don't ignore ongoing problems. Thanks for watching. Here's to a happy, healthy, and regular you.